back to my YouTube channel, and today we are gonna paint a silhouette painting with a beautiful background in pink and blue. Pink is my favorite color. I love this color from CrafTangles called Pretty Peony. It is so pretty. Okay, and this one is poolside, the blue color, and we will be using blackberry for the silhouette. Okay, so let us begin by wetting the paper first with the clear water. We are using CrafTangles liquid watercolors and CrafTangles cold press watercolor paper. If you have not seen the previous video, this is what we have painted in our previous video. A step-by-step tutorial, complete tutorial of me saying everything and teaching you, so you see it in real time and hear me in real time. Just use a clean brush. Any flat brush will do. Make sure there is just enough water to damp the paper and it is not pooling. I have just removed the excess water. I'm using a round 10 brush. Around 10 brush. It is synthetic. I realize there is not enough pink in my palette, so I'll just add it. Always start with the light color first because they tend to get mixed with the darker colors and you will miss the light ones very easily. This is a block, so it is glued from all sides and it is very helpful in painting without any tape or anything. So I have covered most of my part with pink. Now we'll add slight blue to get that mix. So there is a transition from pink to purple. Slightly adding blue. Because I have soaked the water excess, so it is now very dry. Let's just go ahead with whatever it is right now. The whole idea is to have fun in blending and to understand how to blend two colors nicely. So here you go. Just where your two colors are meeting, make sure you have equal, like more blue and less pink, and here more pink and less blue. If you feel your pink is getting hidden by the blue color, just clean your brush, wipe it. Take pink again and then go ahead. These colors dry quick, and once dried they are not easy to re-wet. They are actually they will not re-wet. So it is better that you use a big brush if you are working on bigger surface, and make it quick. That is more important. These paintings will take less time, and it is a fun way to relax yourself. Now you get the idea of blending. This is how it goes. So it is blue and more blue and less pink, and more pink and less blue. with it till the time you're happy and till the time your paper is wet. That is more important than what you are happy with. So I am done, and this is how the blending looks like, and I will just use my heat tool to dry this up quickly. Now that it has dried, we can work on the silhouette. Make sure it is dried completely, because then the silhouette will not appear prominent and it will blend with the background, which we do not want. So we will be using this plastic that you can find anywhere. You get it, you have any parcel, you have got something like that, any plastic will do. Make sure it is thin one, and you can crumple it like this. And here is our black color. We are dipping it into that color, removing the excess. We don't want blotting, and we will just so what you are doing is you are using the crooked plastic the crumpled plastic to get the tree shape. You can use the other sides as well. This will make your hand dirty, so just be careful or use gloves. Don't use excess color, it will only create problem. So here we have, and here on the other side we will have very less color. The whole idea, I told you already, the whole idea is to have fun and explore. So that's it, and now we'll just keep it somewhere safe so that we are not spoiling our table. And wash your hands nicely. So now how to turn these into trees. We will be using round 2 brush. Excuse my messy hand. Dip it in the color, same color, and just hold it from back side and create branches. That's it. Here we go. Dipped completely. This one is a big tree, fatter one, so I'm making it look like that. And just make sure that the branches, they start thick and end up thin. So when you're starting out, use the whole body, and when you end up, just use the tip. And here in between you can just go on adding random, make it look like. That's it. That's your original artwork, and you should be happy about it. So since it is a top view, you cannot show grasses over here. That will look contradictory and not happening. So we can just add birds. Don't we just love birds? So let us add birds. If you have seen my paintings, you will see I end up adding birds wherever I can. I love them. Just use the tip. That's it. We will dry this thing using our heat gun. Now we'll remove the masking tape and see the final look. So here it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I would love to see your creations when you use this. Just follow me on Instagram, post your work and use hashtag #ArtFairTutorials. I'll be sharing all those posts in my stories. So happy painting, and you can work with different silhouettes, whatever you like. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell notification, because I will be coming up with 2 more videos in the next month, and actually 2 videos every month. So just subscribe and play along, paint along. Thank you so much.